Good day, everyone. Alice here from Safi Financial Network. Today is January 9, 2023. Here is S&P 500 chart, daily chart. And as you see here, market just gapped up all the way to the upside. And we expected market have rallied today. But look at that. So this is a shooting star. This is not a good price action for bulls at all. Market ended up in red territory, especially S&P 500 just last hours. It just ended up to the red territory, closed below SMA 50 and so we expect that market have like a follow through based on Friday price action, but it doesn't matter how it opens. It really matters how it closes. And market just closes below open today, and it's this is very nice shooting a star. Look at that. So this is the shooting a star, and this is the follow through after that. This is the shooting star taking this bearish consolidation to the upside. It's kind of like a failed breakout, and we expected this one. It's not a surprise for us at all. So we expected this one if it goes all the way up there. So we are going to short the market. And to be honest, I was pretty close to short the market, especially if you go to hourly chart. Let me go to the hourly chart. I was pretty close to short the market. As you know, this is my first level, and the second level was here. So I was waiting market just have another spike to the upside, but unfortunately it didn't give me better opportunity. So that's why I just didn't short it. But here is demand, or here is the supply area. Sorry, here is the supply area as you see here. So let me just point it out here. Pretty nicely market reacted to this one, and I was waiting, to be honest, for this. I was waiting for another stretching up to the upside and just become all the buyers, all the sellers to the buyers, and then I will short the market. But unfortunately, it didn't give us, so we will get back to the short position again when we have a right setup. And this is just the early chart for S&P 500. We are getting back down, so probably market will have support here. And this is a nice breakout to the upside. Market is coming back down sharply to test this breakout level. So if it has a bounce and if it take out this high, that would be this. But I'm not sure if that happens tomorrow or even a day after tomorrow. Again, this week we will have lots of news are coming to the market. Powell is gonna speak tomorrow in Sweden, I believe. That's not gonna be a serious talk. It just give the people around the world or further chairmans. He's gonna just give a speech to them. He's not gonna elaborate crystal clear policy about the Fed action moving forward. But the most important data is coming this week. Is going to be this Thursday, which is CPI number. And CPI for the December, they just forecasted for 6.6%. If it gets more than 6.6%, market will tumble. I would say market will take it as a very bad signal for the interest rate hike, and it's gonna tumble all the way down to here. So we are expecting market is coming down, but we don't know exactly if it's coming this week, next week, or so. I'm expecting market is tumbling again, especially uh, first half of 2023. Moving on to Nasdaq, let me just bring the chart to Nasdaq. So Nasdaq, if you just follow my analysis, look at that. So I was waiting price to get there. So I was very ready, to be honest. I was very ready to price to get there to short the market. But unfortunately, again, this shooting star didn't stretch that much. So we had a nice price action to the upside. Nasdaq closed positive today. But if you look at the other indexes, that's what I'm telling every single time. You should just coming along with different indexes to see how the price action in different indexes are coming along, because you cannot see Nasdaq without Dow Jones. You cannot see Dow Jones without S&P. So all these three indexes are to be reviewed together. And when you see there is a weakness in Dow Jones, we will get that to that one. And you should be careful about the Nasdaq. And look at that. So market just went all the way up to, I believe, 11,300. Yeah, 11,306 pointed today, and then sharply coming down. If you go to early chart, here's the early chart. Again, I was waiting for this area. I was waiting for this area to get there. Even it didn't get to this supply area. So S&P 500 got into this supply area, but Nasdaq is pretty weak. It just went here to this kind of like a supply area because this one is kind of not fresh. It has like a pullback coming down, so it's not fresh. But again, worked very well. So I was waiting price to get to here to 11,400 to 11,500. That's going to be my shorting opportunity, but unfortunately we were off like 100 points, and that's okay. It's not going to be a big deal. Market will give us more setup or more short position. However, I believe Nasdaq is coming down sharply, probably tomorrow to 11,000 area and find a support in 11,000. And if it gets down there, I believe here is the demand area. So probably 10,900. That's going to be the area for support in Nasdaq. But again, overall, nothing good for the market, especially when we have this rally and fail to the downside. So it's not going to be a sign of strength. It's going to be the sign of weakness. All right. If you go to Dow Jones, so here is Dow Jones daily chart. And you see Dow Jones just got into my level area. So, but again, it goes to the box. It didn't get into this level, 34,000 area. So 34,100, that's going to be my level to short, but unfortunately it didn't get out there. And just coming down, this shooting a star, I'm not sure if it's going to be bullish consolidation to go up or just the coming down more sharply. And I'm not expecting that one, but the market can do anything. And it's not going to let us know in advance. It's going to just do its thing. And I believe Dow Jones still is better index among the other one, as you see with the price action. But when I see some individual stocks have weakness today in today's rally, like a Starbucks, like a Boeing, like Lockheed Martin, you should be careful about the price action today. So that's how market did it today. All right, so we should be careful this week. Again, any rally could be a selling opportunity. I was waiting for short setup. Unfortunately, didn't get to my level, but still, there is going to be a potential to the upside. If it gets there, I'm going to send a signal to the channel. All right. I think that's about it, and I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye bye.